how to use Instagram Reels like a pro in 2020. Everything you need to know about the latest feature of Instagram.
नताशा वड़ैच एक ब्रांड है. प्लीज, ओ प्लीज, प्लीज 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 प्लीज.
What is Instagram Reels? Instagram allows users to create short videos that can range from 0-15 seconds, accompanying a huge library of music users can choose from, as well as users can also manipulate the speed of their videos into 0.3 times, 0.5 times, 1 times, 2 times, 3 times, and also has its own range of various visual effects. Where are Instagram Reels? The option for creating Reels can be found right next to the option for creating Story and live in the bottom in the camera section of an updated Instagram app. How do you use Instagram Reels? Using Instagram Reels is quite similar to using TikTok to create videos. Keep reading to learn how you can create Reels. Swipe right in your Instagram app in order to open the camera. You will find the option of Reels right next to the options for Live and Story. Click on the option of Reels to create your first Instagram Reels. Here you can use front or back camera suited to your needs, as well as audio, speed, effects, and timer. Choose your favorite audio and accompanying visual effect and start recording your first Instagram Reel. After recording your reel, you can share it with your followers and also in the Explore section. Instagram versus TikTok, the ultimate debate. Similarity similar to TikTok, Instagram Reels feature also allows users to create short video clips and provides a library of music to accompany the video, as well as a wide array of visual effects. Difference: unlike TikTok, Instagram Reels has yet to introduce updates so that users could know what is trending, as well as there is no way to monetize and earn from Instagram Reels. How are TikTok stars adapting to Instagram Reels? The void created by ban of TikTok has played a major role in pushing content creators to shift to Reels, as they would jump off to any platform to keep hold of their audience.